Hi guys, this is LT Survival. Well, while we were on the strike, I decided to record this video. So this video is going to be published after the 21st of May, after the YouTube strike that happened. So if you don't know about it, you might want to check the YouTuber Union Facebook pages. Jorg, which is a German guy, decided to organize people to have a little protest towards YouTube. He has a couple of talks with them, but we'll see what happened after the 21st of May. Small channel like me may not have any impact on the internet, but the movement at least might mark some part of the of YouTube, and maybe they'll realize that their way of doing things might not be the best by demonetizing every single one that was contributing as little as they could to make YouTube even a bigger platform. It's really warm in here, so the door is open. You might hear a car passing on the street, so sorry about that, but can't isolate every single sound. And the lavalier is in the box, but we'll come back to it later on. The sound is really echo with it, so I'd rather go with the boom mic. It's not that bad of a background sound, hopefully. But that's not the purpose of this video, because this video is to present you one more knife. And if you read the capsule, well, you know it's a Ruike the P865-B, one of the 2008 model. Great model. Thanks Ruike, because they did a little arrangement with me to make me have this one to a lesser cost. So thank you Ruike, really appreciate that you support channel. It is greatly appreciated. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, as you know, Ruike knife is a distributed in Vancouver for Canadian, so we don't have to import the knives through customs, which facilitate things for us Canadian. They have no problem sending knife abroad. So for you guys that are not in Canada, don't be shy by it. If you're US dollar, you're in even better position to get the knives. So again, Ruike offers us 3 new models this year, and I have one of them. Because of the strike, I delayed doing this video a little, and it won't show up until the 21st of May. So the first weekend after that will probably be the one we gonna be publishing this one. It's not gonna be an in-depth video, but I've worn this knife since I got it, almost not even a week after it was launched. It was available in Vancouver. So I got this knife, put it in my pocket. Incredible. Remember my P861 compact, or 86, I don't remember the number, but the one that had the same type of blade and was compact, had so much difficulty opening it. Well, contrary to that one, this one has a marvelous thumb stud. Easy to put your thumb on it, and boom, you can open this knife easily. It's a right-handed only for the pocket clip, which is deep carry. I'll show it to you. The thumb stud is only on one side of the blade, and the notch in the G10 is also only on one side of the blade. So sorry lefties, like Birdshot 4 said, you won't be able to use this knife unless you're using it right-handed. As you saw, this is very smooth. It's on bearings. Yeah, bearings for less than 50 bucks. No, it's a little more than that, but Still, nonetheless, not so expensive of a knife. For the quality of knife you get, for the price you get, it is a very good knife. So basically I'm going to go over the basic characteristic. There's a G10 the word doesn't come tonight. Not liner, but back spacer. Here it is. Back spacer, G10 back spacer. So the back is all fully enclosed except the part of where the blade is moving. You've got a hooves foot or Warncliffe blade, which is basically a reverse tinto. So the clip point is going towards the very fine tip. The edge is almost flat. So, and it's a full flat grind. It is sweet. 4116 steel, stainless steel. Sorry about that. It's not 4116 stainless steel. I was thinking about the Sandvik steel. It's the 14C28M Sandvik steel. So again, a really nice steel. Not the most super steel, the most incredible super steel, but a good quality. I've used this knife. I've even cut branch in my yard doing cleanups with it, and it's cutting pretty clean. I have not retouched the edge. What I like about it is that wave feature where the handle and the blade are kind of not at the same angle. It's not flat. It's slightly rounded, and for holding it in your hand, it's really comfortable. It's very thin, very small, but very comfortable. I forgot my galloper, so I'm gonna have to cut here and come back. Stand by. Quick dimension in millimeter. Ooh, my battery is going away, I guess. Okay. So the blade stock, it's 3.2 mil. The handle thickness without the clip is 12. So if I put it in inch, blade stock is like 0.1 inch, and the handle almost half an inch at the thickest. But the thickest is not all of the handle. See, it's kind of rounded. So I'll give you a close-up later on. And this is a full-size knife. Fits really well in my large and large to extra large, and it's more like a gentleman knife. So let's do, sorry about that, let's do a close-up. It must be the wine there that's doing so. Close-up. So as you can see, the G10 is textured and rounded off like this on both sides. Full back spacer. Okay, deep pocket clip again from Ruike. It could have been like more in that color and it would have been less obvious, but it's still real nice. Doesn't show much more than it is. It is a liner lock, perfect lockup right here. It's a stainless steel liner. Okay, you see they're milled out. Backspacers are present into the not the backspacer but the pillar, okay, are visible in the G10, and the pocket clip is one position only. Could have been made to go on the other side without much of a problem, okay, because this one of the bolt is going not even. The bolt is not even going through the other not backspace, scale. So you can see that if you were to look in there, and unfortunately I'm not equipped to give you a view, but you see the tip of the screws for the pocket clip going flush, but you don't see any tip, any heads of the screw in the back spacer. Okay, so Torx construction, hooves foot, really nice. This is flat, but the back is kind of round, and the clip point, and also rounded on the handle here, which makes kind of a circle, a very large circle, which gives you a holding hand, really nice. The bottom is all flat, well, little curve in the handle here. Okay, not much, and there's a relief cut here to get to the liner, and there's jimping just enough so you can grip the liner to close it down. As I said, inside there's bearing. It opens to a flick. It's a really nice knife, very compact, very light in pocket. Okay, we're back. You know, I like really much Ruike, and I like pretty much all the knife I've got. I've bought quite a lot in the last year. This year is going to be more quiet on buying knife, hopefully. I've acquired a couple of others from, they were used from Jake Cutting Edge, from Canadian Cutting Edge channel. So these will come later this summer because they're large blade. I gave a preview when I talked about the strike. So, or the live I did on Facebook. So this knife, really like. There's two other models for 2018, and I will acquire them. I wasn't sure about the large folder, but the other gentleman knife, almost. When Jake reviewed them, because we reviewed 3 of them together, I almost got convinced right away to buy them right away. So I'm gonna do so, but later, a little later on, just to give me time not to buy so many knives so quick, so that way I can still wear this one for a while before I get a new one. So obviously I really like Ruike's. I really like to support that Canadian vendor. He's the North American importer, I guess, of the Ruike knife. I've not explored his flashlight because I have a couple and pretty good. That would have to come later on. So what do I think of this one? Love it, love it, love it. I like the blade. Its only drawback for me, and it's not bad, but it's the conception of the blade. That tip, I'm scared of breaking it because of the way the blade is made. The point is in the thinnest and smallest area of the blade, which could make it vulnerable. Big word today, I don't know what I have. So very pointy, very cutty when you want to cut something, but it would make this blade a little fragile, and that's the only drawback. Everything else I like, everything else works, fits in my pocket like a dream, in my hand, not too slippery even though the handle is not that grippy, but it makes for a good knife. I'll put the link down below for Ruike's again, and also to give you an opportunity to buy those knives. These are already in Canada, so no custom. Yes, we like that. So thanks for watching. Thanks for giving me some time to do this strike until the 21st. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it the other thumbs. Doesn't matter. As long as you react, it goes into the statistic of YouTube, and it's pretty good. Comment. That's also a good thing. Watch the video. If you like this video, go see my other Ruike knife video. also, and you can choose which one you prefer. I will order the other two from 2018. There's other model that eventually I might get from Ruike. I'm still deciding how I'm gonna pull out the when I'm gonna jump the gun, like they say, and buy those. I don't want to buy too many at the same time. It's kind of expensive at one point. So, and since you know it, YouTube is not paying anything anymore. So, yep. So it's all from pocket that I buy those knives. I thank Ruike for giving me the opportunity of getting this one easier way, and that's always good when company support small channel like us, and we're trying to make the best impression of the knife, not the impression they want. My impression, best video of the impression. I do like this knife. I really like the company. So if the knife was bad, I would say so, but the knife is great, works fine. The blade is sharp. It came out of the box real sharp, almost shiny, almost like mirror sharpening on it, which is exceptional for a company that brings them from China. They're China made to the standard of the North American companies. So thumbs up to Ruike, thumbs up to their maker. I really enjoy those knives. I'll be wearing them all the time. I gotta rotate through 100 and some, so yeah, it's gonna be a lot of them, but I'm starting to have my preferred one, and it's gonna be difficult not to EDC these ones while I'm doing the other one. So thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel, thanks for giving the thumbs up or down, thanks for commenting. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. We'll see you back in the next video.